Flexible design. When space is at a premium, Monoprice Cat7 helps reduce congestion. At 30% thinner than traditional 23 Aruban Florins Cat7 cables, these cables also feature a snagless boot design. These compact, snagless and flexible cables are easier to cleanly route in high-density environments. Future-proof. Monoprice Cat7 cable is considered the most durable with a longer lifespan than Cat5 and Cat6 cables and is the best choice for wiring with the future in mind. The 50 micrometers gold-plated contacts offer maximum corrosion resistance for the most reliable connections, available in lengths from 6 inches to 100 feet. Superior performance. This cable is perfect for 10G Ethernet environments and is backwards compatible with any existing fast Ethernet and Gigabit Ethernet network. Top reviews from the United States. I bought a 65-inch Sony TV, and wanted the best internet cable available to run on. This seems to be the newest cable and it's from a reliable source, Monoprice. The only reason why I went to Amazon instead of Monoprice directly was for the 2-day free shipping that I have as a Prime member. It would have been roughly about the same price delivered either way, but would have taken Monoprice a lot longer to deliver them under their basic shipping. Any faster shipping through them costs a lot. Anyway, this 50-foot cable works pretty well. I don't have any measuring tools to substantiate this claim, but it does feel to run a bit faster on my new TV, as opposed to my other TVs that have Cat5e cable running on those. One day I'll buy more Cat7 cables and replace those Cat5s on the other TVs, and I'll probably return here to buy them.